Drop your knife!
I'll let you to
You have to put a bullet in me, boy! I have to take your car.
Keep the way, stole the mark,
On the 3rd of April 2021, multiple incidents were reported to police in separate locations across the suburbs of Melbourne, Victoria, where a suspect, later identified as 28-year-old Elias Natano, went on a spree starting in Mickleham. Natano set fire to a camping chair and ran over a woman at speed, causing life-threatening injuries. Driving at a high rate of speed, Natano arrived at his brother's home in Calcalo and began slashing the tyres of his brother's car. As seen on CCTV, Natano is seen attempting to jump back into his car just as Natano's brother approaches him. This is when Natano exits his car and brandishes a knife. Natano stabs his brother up to 4 times while his partner tries to intervene. Natano walks back towards the front door of the house and threatens his brother's partner and 4-year-old daughter. He fled the scene, leaving his brother laying on the street with severe stab wounds. Natano at around 12 p.m. drove to a bottle shop and bought a bottle of whiskey and continued to drive to his home in Mickleham. On Mickleham Road, 2 officers were sitting on the side of the road when they noticed Natano's vehicle, a Volkswagen Golf. Officers attempted a traffic stop and Natano sped away from officers, driving up to speeds of 140 km per hour. Natano hit his brakes, avoiding a vehicle with a caravan crashing into a guardrail on the shoulder.
I think he's critical piece here is can we have some planning with a briefing across the air, but I think it's really important we're a police presence.
Natano exited his vehicle, walking towards officers with a knife.
It's really important that we don't have, 3 or 4
Stay there! Just stay there! Stay there!
6 to 1 urgent, come to grief.
Hey, stay there! Get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car! Drop your knife!
Can you call that unit, please? Roger, vacancy 461. No, tell me that. Stand back up now. 61 your location. It's not coming up.
drop your knife!
You have to put a bullet in me, boy.
621, he's got a knife coming at us. Jess, back up now. Jess, back up now, Jess.
621, your location.
621, he's got a knife coming at us. Hey, drop your knife now. 621, he's stolen the Mark Beamer.
Just stay there. Stay there.
621 urgent, come to grief.
Mate, stay there and drop. Get in your car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Drop your knife.
Drop your knife now! Shut the fuck up! Drop your knife!
Drop the knife.
Bullet in me. You have to put a bullet in me, boy.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Back up now, Jess!
621, we're on Donnybrook Road.
621, he's got a knife.
Drop the knife.
Hey! Drop your knife now!
Mate, drop the knife.
621, he's stolen the
Alright, I'll take your car. Fuck you.
Natano drove away from officers in the stolen police vehicle at speeds of 200 kilometres per hour on Mickleham Road and Somerton Road. At the intersection of Sydney Road and Barry Road, Natano drove through a red light with heavy traffic on the road. He crashed the police vehicle and fled on foot with police right behind him. Natano ran from officers still brandishing the knife and was brought down by canine officers and was arrested. Natano was charged with arson, negligently causing serious injury, fail to render assistance after an accident ×2, damaging property ×7, causing serious injury intentionally, make threat to kill, conduct endanger life ×2, and aggravated carjacking, offensive weapon. Natano pleaded guilty to the charges and was sentenced to 15 years and 3 months imprisonment with a non-parole period of 12 years. Want more Australian law enforcement content? Join the Police Vision Australia Patreon channel for exclusives not published on YouTube, ad-free early access, and much more. By joining the Patreon channel, this will help us continue Police Vision Australia with uploading more content and keeping the channel going. See the link in the description for more information. We are all thankful for all your support.